Disney Institute provides professional development and advisory services to individuals and organizations worldwide. Disney Institute was specifically looking to create a dedicated space that could serve as a modern learning and storytelling environment for Disney Institute sessions at the Walt Disney World Resort in Florida. When the project was initiated, the Disney Institute team had a general sketch with a design direction to make the room fun, modern, and professional. The space was originally a ballroom, and the challenge was to make it a comfortable and modern learning environment that allowed for flexible arrangements, including tables, chairs, and standing spaces that would accommodate professionals all day. Our ODP Workspace Interiors team used their project management skills to help the Disney Institute team on this furniture project, including ordering and delivering, timing, managing the staging process, and coordinating both furniture and carpet installations.
So one of the things that we looked at in the functionality of the furniture was to be able to accommodate any type of person that came in here. So if it was a person that was right-handed or left-handed or somebody who needed to get up and stand, then we had different options. All the furniture is mobile, so it can be moved around, it can be reconfigured.
We took the initial idea and worked quickly on space planning and design to provide layouts which included 2D and 3D visuals, color choices and fabric finishes, as well as recommended products and accessories for the space. Products included nesting tables and chairs, lounge seating, couches, round tables, small tables, high-top chairs and tables, modular living whiteboards, and flooring.
Working with ODP Business Solutions could not have been any easier. ODP Business Solutions has been a long-time collaborator to Walt Disney World Resort, and that collaboration extended to this project with our teams here across Disney Institute.
The space was transformed from an open ballroom to a modern, functional, and multi-purpose learning and storytelling environment to host Disney Institute professional development courses.
From start to finish, there was such a high degree of creative collaboration with a willingness to get to yes in each moment. It was a joy to embark together on this project, especially given that we had such a short timeline. The fact that we could all work against a pretty tight deadline and successfully bring this to completion under budget and on time was a big milestone.
This space gives Disney Institute the opportunity to share their powerful lessons in a comfortable and focused environment. Disney Institute participants have loved hearing Disney's world-class facilitators tell stories and examples, and this new space allows them to be immersed in them in all new, more memorable ways. It's an experience that learners will never forget.
We are very grateful for our collaboration with ODP Business Solutions.
To learn more, contact your account manager or visit odpbusiness.com.